Hey dolls, so I came to tell you dolls where this wig is from and show you how to cut a bang to do this little messy wispy bang kind of look with a bob. Really easy, simple, out the door kind of style. So if you want to see how I did this and where I got the hair from, then keep on watching. And it's a good deal because you get 2 wigs for the price of 1. So check out this special, okay? So this hair is from Mslynn HAIR. The hair came in these kind of packages, which kind of threw me because they're kind of like a beauty supply store package, if you will. But it says it's 100% human hair. I have one that is a curly wig, and then I have one that is a straight. So I just got the little combo that came with the 2 bob wigs. And on the curly wig, I did get the wig a little bit longer. I think the bob curly wig is like a 10 or 12, and I think this one is an 8. So this is the curly wig. So you can get a combo where you get 2 wigs for the price of 1, but I only just styled this one instead of showing you how to do both of them. But yeah, so this is the curly one. You can see the texture. It's really pretty. So super cute, and it is just a simple closure 4x4 wig. And this one is the same thing. It's a closure wig 4x4 with a straight bob. So yeah, and then also inside of the package, because it just came in like a regular box, it didn't come with like a special bag or anything. Plastic bands, both of these, so 1 for each wig. And then I also got this little card in the package, as well as some lashes, and then also an edge brush. So that's what came inside of the package. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I did these really simple, easy, super fast wispy bangs, then keep on watching. With the wig, I just flat ironed it out. It is super short though. Like I thought that, you know, like I want to try a wig that's already shorter and cut, so I don't have to go in and cut it myself. But I don't know, for some reason I just really prefer whenever I get a wig that's longer and cut it myself, which is wasting hair. But for some reason, I don't know, I just always like how the bob turns out better if I go in and cut it myself if the hair was longer. So like say a 12-inch and then I cut it down myself. Like this is an okay length. Like in a way it's giving me that it's super short and that it's shorter than what I like. But I've cut wigs short like this before, but I just feel like the hair is more fuller whenever I get it longer and I go in and cut it myself. So yeah, this one already came cut. I didn't have to do anything, which is good. So it's really easy and out the door. But all I did was cut some bangs into this hair. So yeah. All right, so I needed to do a quick little 1-2 with my hair. So I had this wig, and this is just like a regular closure bob wig, and I just kind of flat ironed out the bottom part of the hair, but I left the middle section where the closure is how it was after being bleached and everything. I didn't pluck the knots because I think I want to do a bang with this hair. So yeah, I just kind of flat ironed the back out to make it faster and easier for me. So I'm gonna pop her on, see what she giving, and then I will decide if I want to just do a middle part or if I want to go ahead and cut a bang into the hair. So I did go in and go ahead and flat iron the hair and just put a middle part. So I'm going to start using my hot comb to flat iron the middle part out so that we can get the foundation going, because I did want to leave a part in the center. I've seen some people style it like this and it looked better with a bob with the little part and the bangs. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of combing out the parting area with my hot comb. So if y'all could see how this part is kind of shorter, I don't like that with a bob. So to me it's already given it needs to be a bang. So yeah, we're gonna just go ahead and do a bang on her. And then I'm going to take my wax stick and apply it to the area that I have parted down so that it will lay a lot better. The first time I just went in with the hair dry, but with the wax stick, it does help the hair to lay even better. It's like you're pressing out the hair. So just add some type of oil or something to hot comb it down. So for the bang, I'm going to do like a triangle kind of cut, and then I will cut the bang. Sorry, y'all. I don't have my table right here in front of me, but I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now you can see how it's looking. So now I'm going to start going into section off where I'm going to do my bang. If you could do this and not really do the part all the way to the front, it is better, because trying to hot comb it back out where the part was in the front of the bang, it was a little bit of a mess, but you know, I still got the look to work. So yeah, I'm just taking a little triangle section in the front and parting that off, and that is going to be my bang area. Instead of doing a normal straight across bang like I normally do, I would just part it straight across and cut my bang. But I decided to try this little triangle method, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going in with my hot comb and kind of hot combing the bangs going downwards just to mold them going where I want them to go. And then I'm going to also take my flat iron and flat iron that going down as well. And then I'm going to start cutting the bang. Now this bang was super fast and easy to cut, so I just cut it kind of like to my nose and just straight across. And then I'm going to go in and start point cutting the hair, which means just cutting going up. And this is going to make the hair really choppy and messy, and it's not going to be like a super straight across bang. And this is going to give that look that I'm looking for, where it's more of a wispy kind of bang. And this is really easy, especially for a beginner. If you've never cut bangs before, definitely try this method out, and it's really, really easy. Just start with the bang a bit longer, go in and kind of cut it to your nose, and then go in and start to point cut. But don't go crazy, because you will end up cutting the bang way too short. But with this wig, you can kind of pull it down. So if you cut it a little short, you could just pull your wig down a little bit more. And with a bang wig in general, you can kind of just shift it down a little bit if you have cut too short. But try not to go crazy and cut it up super high. And I like my bangs long, where they fall over my eyebrows. So you can kind of see how the bang is looking. For some reason on one side, it was looking like the bang was thicker, but it's really not. It was symmetrical, but it was just that I had put the part in the hair and stuff. So y'all know, you just got to work with it. So yeah, now I just put the wig back on because I put a stocking cap on my head. And then I'm going back in with my little rat tail comb and just combing everything back down where it got kind of messy, you know, from taking the wig off and putting it back on. So yeah, I'm just combing the bang down and messing with it and seeing what needs to be done to the hair. And I think there was like a little piece of hair that was kind of straggling longer in the bob part that I just trimmed off, but I didn't leave that clip in because it was literally just a little snip that I had to take off. And then I'm going back in with my flat iron and kind of flat ironing the hair back out some. And then I will go in and kind of mess with my bangs to get them to lay how I want. And you can see I have some flyaways and stuff like that, which I will put some wrapping mousse on later on to lay those down. I'm kind of going in with my hot comb and trying to hot comb the bangs downward so that they're not too much bumped up, if you know what I'm saying. So I want them a little bit flatter than what they are looking at first. And then I'm going to also go in and put some concealer in the part area because I do want this part to show. So if you want yours not to really show, you know, you don't even have to put a part there, or you can leave it without the concealer. But I did want it to look more like a scalp, so I am adding some concealer and then also some wrapping mousse to blend the concealer into place. And I'm also using that wrapping mousse to kind of lay down those flyaway hairs that are kind of sticking out and stuff. So yeah, I'm just going back in, laying everything down, combing the bangs down, combing everything down, seeing how everything is looking. And this style is really easy and it was super fast to do. So I'm going to take my scarf and just flatten out the bang area even more so that they're not so bumped up in the front. And then when I come back, this is how it looks. It looks crazy and super flat. So I'm just going to go in and kind of fluff it back out, comb the hair out. And then I will go back in once again with my flat iron just to finish the style off, and then we will be done. Like, super easy, right? So yeah, if y'all tried this out, let me know. This will be also really good to do with a longer wig as well. I'm definitely gonna do this bang method more, where I kind of like point cut instead of using a razor comb because it's just so much faster. So yeah, this is the end result. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look of this hair. Let me know what y'all think. It was really easy to apply and, you know, just be out the door. It is a different kind of look for me because, it's bangs and it's short. Like, I like to wear bangs sometimes, but it's just like super short in the back. Like the back is a little shorter than I want. If the front was the same length as the back is, like if the back was as long as the front is, then I would feel a little bit more comfortable in this wig. But since it's a little shorter, it's giving me a little, I don't know, but I still like it. I think it's still cute. And I haven't tried a short bob wig with bangs in some years now, because the last time I tried it, I didn't like it, and I felt like it just looked like Dora. But this time I adopted putting a part in the center, and I feel like that kind of gives it a different flair. I don't have on a full face of makeup or anything, but y'all can imagine this would be super cute, you know, if everything was done up. So yeah, if you have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.